because our mission with this bed making is to protect your mattress from wee, and we'll be blunt about that. It's really hard to get the smell of wee out of your mattress, so we're going to try and avoid it in the first place. Put that over there. So our first layer is going to be this one. There's many ways that you can do it, but this is the way that will protect your mattress from wee. So that's what we're going for, because you can wash everything else apart from the mattress. So the first layer is going to be a wool underlay. So wool is, it'll prevent a lot of moisture, but it's not waterproof the same as if you've got some kind of actual waterproof layer. But wool helps your kids sleep better. It helps them stay a nice consistent temperature through the night, and it provides protection to your mattress. Our sleep store ones are reversible, so you've got cotton. So during the summer you might want to sleep, your kids might want to sleep on the cotton side. In the winter you totally want this delicious warm fleecy fluffy layer. So these come in all sizes, hot, single, king single. Super easy, elastic straps, machine washable, because this is essential with bedwetters in the house. Okay, now this product here that I'm gaily throwing around is this here. Now this is one of our sleep store products that we love best of all, and it was right up there with the brolly sheet in terms of sanity savers. So it combines a fitted sheet and a mattress protector, because why would you want to buy and wash two things when you only need one? Okay, so this is a sleep store product. They're really reasonable price, and again they come in all sizes, actually right up to king bed. So if you have kids coming in and weeing in your bed, you totally want one of these on your own bed, but you can also just use them like a normal mattress protector. So the idea with this is you don't need like a quilted fitted mattress protector and a sheet. You just need this one quick layer. Perhaps I wondered where you were going, James. Thought you were wandering off and abandoning me. So that's it. So that's your warm layer, and then this is your sleeping on and waterproof layer together. And so I don't know if you can zoom in, James, and show the lovely people, but it's like a jersey cotton, and it has the waterproof layer is underneath, but you can't feel it when you're sleeping straight on the surface, and it's possibly slightly crinkly compared to a normal sheet, but not too bad. So for kids that seldom wet the bed, that's probably all you need. You just, if you get a wee on that, it's not going to go through, whip it off and wash it, put another one on. But if you're dealing with a child that wees the bed multiple times a week, multiple times a night, then you really, really, really want a brolly sheet on top. So this is a brolly sheet, invented by Diane. Diane's been in business pretty much the same time as we have. Matt and Diane were on a course together 12 years ago when we were all just getting started. So this is Diane's great invention. Chuck it on, tuck it in. And then just tuck it in on the other side. You really can't bend over because you've been walking too much. There are ones that you don't have to tuck in. And that's it. So when your child wets during the night, all you do is whip off that, like this. You ready?
Ready.
Like that. Sorry about that, James. So I wiped you out with the peat on brolly sheet. And then you just get another dry one and chuck it on. Tuck it in. Like so. And if you're really organised, you could actually put 2 on, or 3, or you could be like Princess and the Pea, and just as you get each one gets weed on, you can just whip them off and toss them in. And I found as my kids got older, it was really helpful to encourage independence. They could change, you know, they could put a dry brolly sheet on. Mostly they didn't remember the dry one, but they could easily take the wet one off and pull on some new jammy pants and go back to bed because the bedwetting thing makes a lot of washing, but it also often gets you out of bed. So if you're dealing with a 7, 8, 9-year-old who's still wetting the bed, it's totally normal and it's way more common than you realise, and teach them to deal with the brolly sheet rather than you get out of bed. That is my tip for you.